Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we're going to show you how to make a pot roast gravy, everybody. Hey, yes, that you saw that picture right there. That's how we do it here at Cooking with Granny on Mama Soul Kitchen. Now, what we did was we did a crock pot chuck roast, okay? We're going to share that roast recipe with you next, but this is what we do. We take the drippings out of the crock pot, and then we add a little bit of cornstarch and water, everybody, okay? Now, we added about about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and water. Now, what it is, the stove now is on high, okay? You have to have a kettle skillet, everybody. A kettle skillet is the key of how to make the best gravy, okay? Now, if you don't have one, it's time for you guys to start investing, ladies, because we're going to keep your man, okay, everybody? Now, your man wants a home-cooked meal. We're going to have it bring to a boil, as you see right here, and you're going to continue whisking because of the fact that you don't want to have lumps in it, okay? We do not want to have no lumpy gravy, okay? We want it to be nice in consistency of a nice pouring over savory gravy, everybody. All this is flavor, everybody. We don't have to add no additional seasonings to it because how we do our chuck roast, it is perfect, and you don't need no more additional seasoning when you're doing gravy. Okay, so as you see, it's starting to kind of thicken up a little bit, okay? Now, it's going to be like a total of about, 5-6 minutes of making this. And now you saw I added in some more cornstarch and water, everybody. Stir it in nice and slowly, okay? Then it's going to come back to a boil again. Now, you got to watch it. You can never leave your gravy cooking, everybody, because you don't want it to burn. You don't want it to do wrong. See that? Now, I'm going to add the rest of that in here as well. But you do it into portions as you see the consistency as it thickens up the gravy in your skillet, everybody. Okay, just regular cornstarch and some water. Okay, so we added approximately about 10 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we added just a little bit of water just to make it diluted and make it nice diluted and everything in the glass there. Okay, now as you see right here, see the thickness right there? It's getting better, everybody. As we cook it, it gets much better. Then the consistency is going to be perfect as we're going to pour it back over our pot roast inside of the crock pot, everybody. But look at that. Ooh, that color is so beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that nice, everybody? That's some real gravy. It has onions in it and a little bit of garlic as well. And the seasoning, now look at it. See, now look at this. That is getting thicker as we speak, everybody. This is real time. It's not sped up time. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Now look at that. Perfect. Now that's how we like our gravy, everybody. You want to serve that at the table? Great. But we're going to pour this over our chuck roast, everybody. I just want you guys to get a good view of how we do it here. Okay? Now look at this. This is amazing. This is the shredded chuck roast, everybody. We had that cooking for a good 6 hours on medium, everybody. And we poured the juice off, made our gravy. Now we're pouring our gravy over the meat, everybody. Look at that. The meat is so tender. That is shredded, everybody. Now we're going to show you how to meal prep this after on the next video. Follow us on our YouTube for a lot more. And also, look at that. We have our green beans, grandma smacking green beans back there. And we have our mashed potatoes. We're going to show you how to make those too. Our cookbook is available on Amazon.com, on the Momma Soul Kitchen, MOMMA Soul Kitchen. And we have the Just Desserts Child for the sweet tooth only as well. Follow us on YouTube for more.